Our insightful trainings reveal profitable bot trading strategies and analysis. You will discover our trainings are very meaningful, insightful, and profitable.
Thank you, Eugene, for joining us in this interesting discussion.
Eugene, can you share with us why you are so passionate about introducing crypto bot trading to the local market?
Good question there. I believe you are asking why use bots to trade rather than we trade manually ourselves. First and foremost, manual trading requires the skilled trader a lot of attention and time to look for good entry and exit conditions in the crypto markets. Nowadays, passive investors like ourselves do not have that kind of time to trade manually. In fact, programmed crypto bots can work for us 24 hours daily, even as we sleep at night. It is better to use bots to trade for us, leaving us more time to enjoy our leisure time with our family and friends. Besides that, bots are more accurate at determining the right market conditions to trade. Bots can automatically spot the right conditions with higher win rate or success rate. The key is to have trades with higher win rates. Bots programmed with the winning strategies are better and more effective than humans at trading. After all, we humans are more emotional and are prone to making mistakes. Here are few testimonials after our beneficial workshops.
In the workshop, I learned that the profitable method is easy to follow. So far, I'm getting a good result. Let me show you one of my profitable results. As you can see here, over here, you see in my Bibet account,
I joined their AI bot trading workshop. In the workshop, I said that artificial intelligence signals and bot trading can be used as passive profitable method to have consistent result. Even though I do not have any profit or trading experience so far, I'm getting several weeks of consistent results with my bot trading. Let me show you one of my profitable results. This is one of the many positive trades that my bot made in my Bybit account.
Being part of the support group or the community after these sessions helped me in further understanding about the various moves in the Bitcoin market and how to make sense of it. Kudos to Eugene and his team for doing a tremendous job in sharing that knowledge.